Hi guys. Hi Rahul. Uh, when am I expecting to work with Pawan Kalyan? Yeah, probably next year. We are looking at starting the movie next year, and it all depends on him, not on me. Hi Gautam. Hi Saroj. Hi Naresh. Good to see you all. Hi Arav, Adim, Akhtar. Hi Prabhu Kumar. How are you doing? Nice. All of you are here. I'm a little confused. How do I answer you guys? There are a lot of questions coming up. Yeah, dad is fine. Chiranjeevi garu chala baguన్నారు. Shooting is going good. We finished 3 schedules. Hi Kishore. Hi Arun. Come on, ask me some interesting questions. I'm here for you guys, and just ask me whatever you want. Hi everyone. Big hi. Hi from Karnataka. Hi Manju. Thank you. I know the look is pretty good, I guess. You guys are liking my Dhruva look. Thank you. Dhruva probably will release in October, maybe first week or second week. Hi Jagan, hi Naidu, hi Venkat, hi Sharif. I'm working on Dhruva now, and yeah, my family is good. Of course, I will do a movie with Pawan Kalyan Garu. I'm waiting a good subject, and definitely we are working on it. I don't think I can work. I didn't think I should be part of Dad's 150th on screen. I'm just a producer for now. Maybe Vinay Garu and Dad, if they think, but it's only solo Chiranjeevi Garu film. Maybe a song or something. We will see where I will fit in. Hi Krishna. Hi Nani. I mean, I'm here, guys. I mean, you can ask me some interesting questions. Thank you, Magdira. Hi is a good film and interesting one I've done. Dilip Kumar. Dhruva first look, I don't know exactly. I think on Independence Day, August, we will release Dhruva's first look. What's my one word on Mahesh Babu? He's an amazing actor and a very good looking man. He's a nice guy. I like him. Nice. Hi Riti, I like you too. Hi Shruti. What's your ambition? Ambition is to be the best actor and a very good actor in the future, hopefully. What about Prabhas? Prabhas is a dear friend, a loving, very, very loving person. I went and visited him on his sets recently on Bahubali. Upasana is doing good. Thank you. I'll let her know. Can we? What is that? Who's your favorite actress? Interesting question. I mean, everybody is doing a great job. I actually don't have any favorite actor or actress. I like everybody. I watch everybody's movies. Yeah, Dad's movie updates. Like I told you, we are in the third schedule. Round month schedules and amazing work. Dad's looking fabulous, and we are all working very hard to give a good product. And Dad's movie will come out in Sankranti. That's for sure. Multi-star movies. I don't know. I mean, I'm waiting for a good script. I've been wanting to do a lovely multi-star. So let's wait and see. I told you again, Pawan Kalyan Gartha sometime next year. After he finishes his commitments and I finish my commitments, we'll all come together. I'll say hi to Rakul, of course. Kabali movie, I'm really waiting for. Like how all of you are waiting, I'm waiting for Kabali movie too. I definitely want to be seen, Sitaram, I definitely want to be seen in the same frames with my dad. But the 150 movie, లేకపోతే వేరే సినిమానా అది ఇంకా మేము డిసైడ్ అవ్వలేదు. We will figure out soon. What's my next movie? As of now, I've confirmed with Sukumar and after Dhruva. We will start in October with Sukumar and me with my 3 films. Kattilantodu is not the title, guys. We have not decided. Like Ramesh asked, we are still thinking. We'll probably come up with a good title soon. Probably in August we'll announce Dad's movie title. Dhruva will be a very interesting subject for me. Something little out of my regular films. It's a great story, and the scenes between me and Arvind Swamy will be a killer to watch. Very beautifully, and Surender has done an amazing job so far, and I'm thoroughly enjoying. Yeah, I'm a little messy right now. I'm just in between work in the office, in the Konidala production office. Gautam Menon, I really enjoy his movies. Abhishek, I will work with him soon. Definitely. Can we expect an Underworld Dawn movie? Who's that? Vikas. Of course. I mean, I haven't come across any subjects right now, but maybe. A big hi to all my fans from Karnataka. I can see a lot of Karnataka fans on this thing. Share a funny moment on Dhruva. I mean, the funny moments. I'm not a very funny guy on set, but we really enjoyed working in Kashmir. I remember Nangar at least 30-40 films చేశారు Kashmirలో, and Kashmir is still so beautiful. All of you should go to Kashmir and take your family and your friends for a holiday there. It's beautiful. Of course, our attempt is to, hi Shiva, Prasad, Manju Senmalu, different characters cheyalane ma andaru uddesam, and we're working towards it. Any plans of going to Bollywood again? I mean, it's a good subject is there. Definitely, I'll do again. Anything, be it Tamil or Bollywood. Manch subject dorite kachithanga chestan malli. Thank you, Vinod. Are you interested in doing a multi-star cast? Yes, of course. Shravan, Kajal, Horse. Yes. 1 second. Okay, soon we are starting a small project called the Mega Fan Project. Basically, this is like Swachh Bharat or anything. Any of the good work in your own city, in your own area, you guys are doing some good to your society and to your local area. Just do send us, or anywhere else if you're doing any good work. This project is just to అందరు మంచి పనులు చేయాలి, ఇంకా ఎక్కువ మంచి పనులు చేయాలి. Meet a water problem or cleaning like Swachh Bharat or any small to a big activity you guys are doing, please post it on my FB. It will really inspire me and my other followers. All other works, and we will select the best fans social work, and we will have them come on my dad's 150th movie sets and meet the whole cast and crew as a token of appreciation. So manchi panulu definitely cheyandi, maaku kuda ideas ivandi elanti manchi panulu cheyalo, and we will definitely call them and we'll meet them. And that dub smash thing was interesting, guys. Thank you for taking your time out and doing all those dub smashes. I think I've seen 80% of the dub smashes you posted, and I'm meeting the 2 fans who were selected by my team. I'm looking forward. Probably tomorrow I'll be meeting them. Hi Roshni, how are you doing? You want to see me in Sanjeev Naidu? Want to see me in Murugadas's movie? Of course, he's a great director. I will work with him one day. Work with debut directors, Dilip? Sure. I will definitely work with some new guys soon. Okay, I think it's been a great interaction with all of you. Soon, again, maybe on another day, I will love to do the same thing. It's really interesting. But you guys should come up with some more interesting questions next time than just saying hi. Twitter, I'm not a very social media guy. Facebook, okay, I want to keep it interactive and nice. Twitter and the other things, I'm not too sure. But I will give it a thought. For now, ఈ ఫేస్బుక్ని హ్యాండిల్ చేయడమే నాకు చాలా కష్టంగా ఎక్కువ టైం తీసుకుంటున్నాను. బట్ ఐఎమ్ లవింగ్ ద హోల్ ఫ్యాక్ట్ దట్ ఫ్యాన్స్తో ఈజీగా ఇంటరాక్ట్ అవ్వచ్చని. అండ్ ఐల్ కీప్ దిస్ ఫర్ నౌ. Twitter and Instagram and all later. Probably I will soon get into all of that. Like I told you, my next movie is with Sukumar Ravi. Yeah. Anyway, had a lovely interaction with you guys. Thank you all for making my evening such an interactive, fun evening. And I will see you guys soon. You want to see my office? There you go. I have a James Dean clock, a family picture, and my office. Small, cute office. Love you guys. Bye-bye.